Literally. They changed the tags out on this and put Banana Republic on this. Something about like shaking your iced coffee. Wait till I get my nails done. We're going to be doing more of this just so I can show off my nails. I have these pillows right here. Do we need a third one? Because I love these pillows. Oh my gosh. Which brand is it again? Because I love them. P. Kaufman. Is P. Kaufman home? Yeah, y'all. These are the pillows that are on my couch. I love, love, love them. Get out of here. Let's get out of here before we get in trouble. To reassess the situation. I love these tall fans like that. I love this. This would be so cute, like in your office. Like, how cute is that? That's so cute.
You can start ringing it up. Yeah, I'll ring you up.
Cute. A little egg crate chair. That's not bad. And it swivels too. I like that it's already assembled because I don't like putting stuff together. Literally what we call my dad. He would like that. This one, let's see. Kind of like the gold on this one. I think the gold is selling me. Such a creative way to like save your tickets. How about that? That's not so nice. That's a very cute. Look how cute these are. These are so cute, right? Let me wipe my camera off so you guys can see better, but look at this. Look how pretty. That's so cute for like your fruit and stuff. I like that. And look at the pretty plates. They're like acrylic, but they're really pretty for the patio area. I love it. This one right here is definitely giving me European summer vibes. All these definitely give me like those MacKenzie-Childs vibes. Right? This is not really my style, but I would do something like this. This is really pretty. And this is by Time and Table. And they're on sale. And these are on sale too. Yeah, it's just nice to pop in here and see what's going on. Excuse me. I think we're gonna get this. And we got these down here. So I think I'm gonna get this one because you get a few more. You get 20 tea bags for less. So I'm gonna try this one, and they're both organic, so. And this, and I think they're trying to give us a little Ralph Lauren vibe with this. They're trying to give us a little Ralph Lauren vibe here in Walmart, like the free assembly line. This is like really cute. Look at that. For the, you have to get me a little denim jacket, y'all. Denim jackets are my weakness. Cute, and it's oversized too. Oh, it's like that trapeze style. So cute, y'all. I pop this on with my denim dresses. I mean, my little dresses and be on my way. Walmart is giving us the fashions, the coastal vibes. So this is definitely giving coastal vibes for sure. Literally, if they change the tags out on this and put Banana Republic on this, they could really sell this at Banana Republic. Unless you're looking at thread count and fabric contents, they could get us. Now, this looks really nice right here. I love me a good basic. I just don't want to buy any polyester. Let's see what this is, because I like the structure. Okay, so it's viscose, nylon, and polyester. I might consider it. Let's see. This will be so cute with like my little denim. So they're $18. That looks like that would be so flattering on you. I would love to have it in cream. Here is I like this cut. That cut right there is very flattering. And they're $6. They were $8. That's cute. This will be cute for like, I have a white denim skirt now. I don't know if I can still get into it because it was a little fitted. But this will be really cute with some white denim. And I have my red Tory Burch bag, even though I said I'm not trying to do no red, white, and blue. So we might have to switch that up a bit. But is this cotton? No, if it's cotton, we don't have a problem. I'm gonna have to get it. Let's see. Where do you see the fabric content at? Oh, it's mostly cotton. Oh my gosh, 87%. That's a good percentage. And y'all, I've gained a little bit of weight, so I'm like, is this gonna work on me, or do I need a medium? I don't want to be looking like I'm, like I should have sized up. Maybe I'll try it and see. That's really pretty though. I love me some navy. I love navy. And then look, you guys, I'm always wearing stripes. I'm wearing my Sam Edelman shoes that I got, and I'm finally wearing them. That's really pretty. That's so flattering on the arms.